Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn about mail merge. Mail merge is a very important topic. What is the importance of mail merge? Suppose you have a letter. You want to invite your friends on your birthday. Now you have typed a letter. There are so many different things like your friend's address, your friend's name, and you have to change all of those things manually in the letter. Let's suppose you have 100 friends. So 100 times you have to change the letter, right? So this is a very boring and very time consuming task. How can we avoid this thing? To avoid this thing, we have to use mail merge. Mail merge is a facility which gives us the power, the freedom to write a single letter or write a single document, and then we can have a separate data portion. With that data portion, we can merge the data with the letter, and then we will have separate letters for us. So let's move on to the computer screen so that we can see how this thing works. Okay, so now here I have a letter. How can I modify the letter? So if I want to modify the letter manually, so again I have to come here and change the details, change the address, name. Here also I have to change the name. So there are so many tasks, and for 100 letters is too much difficult. So how can we implement mail merge in this letter? For that, first of all, we have to go to mailings. Then from the mailings, we have to go to start mail merge option. Click on start mail merge option. Then step by step mail merge wizard will appear. At the right side you can see the options are available. Now let me find my mouse pointer. Okay. So now click on next. Then again it is selected use the current document. Yes, we want to use the current document. So again click on next. Now here we have the option of the mailing list. Do we have an existing list? No, we don't have an existing list. So we want to type a new list. Select it and then click on create. So these fields we don't need. So we want to customize the columns. Let's customize the columns. So let's delete all the things what we have. One by one we have to delete the things. Just 1 minute. Okay, so now here you can see my total field names are empty. Now I have to add new fields. Click on add, then give the field name. My first field name will be name. This will be the name of the recipient. Click on OK. Then address. Then click on OK. Then I need pin code. One more thing I forgot, that is the father's name or care of. Then click on OK. So now see, this list is now customized total. Let's enter some data. Right, first one is Rahul, address is Tahirpur, pin code is let's suppose 741120, and care of is this was. Now once I have done this, let's click on new entry. In the new entry field, again I have to insert data. So next name should be he is living at Ranaghat and its pin code is, let's suppose, 21 and his deep. Now for this example I want to just enter two names. Let's click on OK. So my list is now created. I have to save it. Class 5. Okay, I'm saving this data with the name of class 5. Let's click on save. So my data is saved. If I want to remove anyone, I have to just untick that person. But here I want to take both of them. So I'm giving that leaving the tick mark here. So now click on OK. Once I have clicked on OK, then click on write your next letter. You have to click on next here. Then after clicking on next, let's remove the things. Go to insert merge fields, click on name. So name came here. Then again go to insert merge fields, click on care of. Then I need the address and then I need the pin code. So these things will be automatically coming from the last data. Here will be also name, right? So once I have given this, now let's click on next. Now you can see the data which you have given, those are getting reflected here, and you can switch the data from here. Done. So once it is done, then click on next and then click on edit individual letters. Click on OK. So your mail merge is complete. So now you have seen that I have written only one letter, but here I have two letters automatically generated, and the data I have given, that is also getting reflected here. Okay, so thank you students for today's class. So in the practical class you have to do the same, so practice this very carefully.